Good morning, my beautiful people. Hope you're having a great start to your morning. Today I want to talk about something that a lot of people don't talk about, and that is achieving or getting what you want, right? Or getting to that place that you work so hard for. So I'll give you some examples. Whether it's relationships, finance, or fitness, once you get that, meaning once you in relationships, once you fall in love and find that right person for you, right? And in finance, once you hit that magic number that you've been striving for, right? In fitness, once you get into shape and get that six pack abs, once you achieve that, then what, right? That's the question. Then what? Here's why I'm mentioning that. Because achieving those things are not that difficult. It takes hard work, it takes discipline, but every single one of you can get there. The question that you should be asking is, how do you keep it, right? How do you keep that? Let's talk about relationships, right? When you're in a relationship, when you find that perfect person, right? When you find that perfect person, when you are in love, how do you keep that spark going, right? That's the hard part. You have to work even harder to keep that going. When you get that $1 million, or when you hit that nice financial number that you've been killing yourself for, keeping that shit is hard. We all heard of, and I'm gonna pick on athletes here, we all heard of professional athletes who made millions and end up broke, right? Because keeping it is hard, people. You have to work even harder to keep it. And in fitness, same thing. Those of you that have been following me know that in the last couple of months, I've been focused on my diet because I got lazy. I was where I wanted to be and thought, shit, I don't have to work that hard anymore. Well, guess what? You do. It's even harder to keep that six pack, especially as you start to get older, right? You can't get away with going out and eating pizza and chicken wings and French fries. That stuff gets hard as you get older. You need to work even harder to maintain that six pack. So keep that in mind. So to put it in perspective and put it in order, getting there isn't that hard. When you're there, it's extremely hard to stay on top, but it's super, super easy to lose it. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.